What's going on, everyone? Welcome, Rabid here. And October 13th, HiveOS posted, we've been testing something new inside HiveOS this week. Let's say it changes how your rigs spend their time. And test went smoothly. I guess no reason to wait more. Today, I think, is the official announcement at the time of recording when this is going to go through. Coming into mind, got insight on this, is pretty amazing. And then some of the posts here. Wednesday's video, I gotta try it still, wasn't home today. Will it be useful against proof of work network decentralization? Asking for a friend. No, it will not be doing that. And then we got some eyes here. They better should update and support their mass install tools instead of dreaming away. GP and CPU mine is dead soon. Same with HiveOS. Hate to say it. Spill the beans. Please spoil more. So we're not going to give a big tutorial or anything. We're going to go through what exactly this is and how it could help your mining process. So you guys ready for this? Let's check it out. I haven't done it, but they say that the best thing to do here, in theory, is flash the latest stable version onto your rigs. I imagine you could just go in, SSH into your rig, and just install the latest one there as well. Should work. I'm on all the betas on mine. I haven't updated for quite some time because I haven't needed to, based on what I've been mining with Cubic and stuff. So I haven't done anything, but the option is still there for me. So if I actually just come into my flight sheets, we're going to click on that, and we're going to click on this, and I'm just going to type in Chlor. So here we have Chlor rentals. So yeah, that means they're integrating AI into HiveOS, starting with Chlor here. So you're like, well, couldn't we already do that through HiveOS going to Chlor? Yeah, you could, but seeing how they worded this, do you guys remember here? It says test went smoothly. I guess there's no reason to wait. So let's just see how it changes how your rigs spend their time. So that is pretty much what's going on here. So here, you're going to set up your Chlor rentals for AI. And down here, you're going to set up a normal flight sheet, just like you normally would for any other coin, whether it's a CPU coin, a GPU coin, a mixed coin that runs both, whatever. You set up your normal flight sheet. And what's going to happen is if your rigs are not being rented based on your parameters and everything you set for profitability and stuff, it's going to normally mine whatever you want to in your flight sheet. Therefore, if you're switching coins, you can obviously just keep making like you normally have here for switching coins. You pretty much add Chlor to all your previous flight sheets. That way you're switching coins all the time, but you always got Chlor there running in the background as well. And when the profitability picks up on Chlor, it'll automatically move to AI and start doing that if it's more than what you're mining. And then where your rigs aren't rented anymore, it'll swap back to your normal flight sheet and begin mining any one of these coins that you want. Now, can you just add this into here? I'm not sure. Now, if I just go to an old flight sheet, yeah, you can't do that. So you have to do it all by scratch by setting up the new flight sheets. But the point here is, you can set up Chlor rentals with, the Epic Cache and XDAG double mining. You can set it up with Pulsar mining, set it up with XMR mining, set it up with Kaspa if you want to use your consumer grade and not an ASIC, Ton, you can't mine anymore. You can try it, but you're not going to get anything. Set it up with Virus coin. You can set it up with all these other coins now that you normally would, but just have Chlor AI rentals running in the background to possibly increase your profitability on your mining rigs all through HiveOS. So it's nice to see that HiveOS is actually integrating AI type of features that more people are moving to other than straight crypto mining. And there you have it, guys. So it looks like I do have a rig down on aisle 16 here. So if I was to slap a GPU into one of these and then start mining Cubic on both GPUs as well as CPUs, then add Chlor on top of all that to switch over to Chlor rentals, if it looks like a rental is going to be more profitable than Cubic, then that will happen. This will all move to Chlor. So it adds another layer to potentially earn more profits while mining cryptocurrency by starting off with Chlor AI indirectly to HiveOS, which I think is a pretty huge feature for people that are especially using Chlor AI. Now, the other one is, I just want to see, let's just come back into crypto mining here. Take a quick look. Other day we took a look at QCTC here. Looks like the profits are coming down, but they're still a lot better than they have been for the 3 years. So the profits are coming down compared to yesterday and the day before, but we still see some profit here. So example, you might want to set your GPU onto Cubic coin here, set your CPU onto Cubic, and then set your whole rig onto Core AI through HiveOS, and then you kind of add up how much you're making here, how much you're making on QTC, and if you're going to make more, set that onto Core AI, and if the big rental comes in, it'll take all of that off, move it to Core AI, and then obviously you'll be making more than mining both those coins. So that is pretty much how it works in a nutshell. If you want a how-to guide, let me know down in the comment sections. I'll probably just start working on one anyway. Try to get it out to you in a few days, maybe week. We'll see what happens. We got to test it out and everything. But thank you for checking out this video. This is the new feature for HiveOS. What do you think about it? Are you excited? Hopefully they add even more AI projects here into there besides just Chlor. I'll see you on the next one. Rabid out.